We all know that people judge you by first impressions. They also judge you by your shoes. So today I want to give you a couple of really quick tips that you can use to always make sure your feet look great. The first one is if you run out of shoe polish, there's an easy fix. Take some furniture polish, spray it onto a cloth, simply take your shoe, rub it over it, and then buff. And this is great in winter, puts a little seal on so the salt won't damage your shoes. Look at the shine that I get on that with nothing but furniture polish. Now, if you have patent leather or shiny leather, dip a cloth into a little bit of petroleum jelly. Simply rub it on and then buff really well with that soft cloth. And you know, sometimes if I'm really in a hurry, I even use a paper towel. And look how great that looks. And again, it puts a great coating on the shoe. And one last quick tip, baby wipes are awesome for so many things. And if you want to just clean your shoes up in a hurry, just wipe them down. I keep some in my drawer at work, so I'm sure my shoes always look good. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.